Welcome back, children. This is second part of the lesson Clever Tenani Raman. In the previous video, we studied that Krishna Devarai was the king of Vijayanagar and Tenani Raman was his court jester. And there was a very famous artist called Raja Varma. And the king was extremely impressed with his work and he wanted to reward him something. The king then decided to reward Raja Varma with the post of chief minister at his court. Raja Varma was shocked after being granted the new post. He did not want to accept the new post. However, he accepted the post politely out of respect for the king. After becoming the chief minister, Raja Varma was unable to perform his duties at the court, and the people of the town felt helpless because king was supporting Raja Varma, and they did not want to say anything to upset their king. Finally, the people and the town elders decided to take help from Tenani Raman, who was the jester of the court. Now, what happened after that we will find out in this video. This is text from the book. Take your book and read after me. Raman had a clever idea. He invited the king and his ministers for lunch to his house. He then went to the town's best known carpenter and asked him to prepare a grand feast for his guest. So Raman, who was very clever and he was well known for his wisdom, he had a clever idea. First, he invited the king and his minister for lunch to his house. Then, he went to a carpenter who was very famous in Vijayanagar and asked him to make food for king and his minister, to make him a grand feast for king and his minister. On the day of the feast, the food was served in beautiful plates and the guests started eating greedily. But in a few seconds, the king began to gasp and called out for water. Soon, there were similar cries all around the table. And the day of the feast came, and king and his minister came to Raman's house for lunch, and Raman served food in beautiful plates, and they all started eating. But after eating, they all started gasping. They all started breathing quickly with open mouth because of pain, and they started asking for water. This is picture of gasp, to breathe quickly with open mouth because of pain. Raman, this food is horrible, shouted the king. It's too spicy, too salty, and really undercooked. Who has made it? Is this your idea of a feast? Do you want us to die? After drinking water, the king started shouting. He was very angry. He was very furious. And he said, the food is horrible. It is spicy. It is salty. And it is really undercooked. Who has cooked this food? You want us to die? Is this your idea of a grand lunch? Is this your idea of a grand feast? And this is a picture of undercooked food that has not been cooked long enough and it's not ready to be eaten. The food which is half cooked, which is not fully cooked, that food is called undercooked food. Raman waited for the king to calm down. Then with folded hands he said, "Forgive me, sir. Let me introduce you to the cook." A worried-looking carpenter now came forward. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. His work is brilliant. I gave him the job of cooking today. And then Raman waited for a few seconds for the king to calm down. Then very politely, after folding hand, he said, "I'm really sorry, sir. Please forgive me. I want to introduce you the cook of the lunch today." And he called the carpenter and the carpenter came out. He was very worried. He was very nervous. He thought that the king is going to shout at him because the food is too horrible. And then Raman introduced the carpenter to the king and said, "This is the best carpenter in our town, and his work is brilliant. That's why I gave him the job of cooking today." Then what happened? How did the king react? We will find out in the next video. Homework is to read this lesson thoroughly and learn the difficult words. Thank you for watching this video.